All right, I believe this is round 5. Should be anyways. Street National. 20th day of July. Get $20 to get in. The class one right here. Bad boy. Oh goodness. It's all tricked out. What's the year? Say the year it should be. 1970 Chevelle. Nice. Oh, this is a rarity right here. I saw a guy up in who drive one like this. Yeah, this has got a 427. Oh my goodness. Very nice Caprice. Rare vehicle right here, ladies and gentlemen. 1966. See, a lot of people pass this right on by. And also the speaker in the back there. Yeah, I'd buy one of these tomorrow. It's nice. Little Monty. Get over here, kind of walk off the beaten track over here. Got one over there, sitting over there, that bad boy. GTO, kind of a bigger version. Look at that, 400 in it. Very, very nice. Nice. Yep, Street Machine Nationals, you guys. '73. Classic. With that engine there. Easy to get at. Only if you want to put that thing on top. But still, it's one hell of an engine. Look at that bad boy is. Very nice. Got a couple. I think it's just, there's so many to look at. And I'll try to get as many as I can. But 1969 Torino Cobra. Ooh, baby. 428. Oh my goodness. Nice. The Fairline, the Torino, whatever. Let's say off 3,500 for this bad boy. Nice. Go over here, a couple over here. Someone's revving the cars. There's a Sky Ride. That's always fun to go on the State Fair. Little Tundra Care. Can even speak 96. That bad boy. That bad boy. Very nice. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Nice vehicle. Grand Prix, nice. We're in 1972, nice. With the T-top in there. That's a great car. See, a lot of people, look at how much room you have in there. Look at that. Whew, nice. Big trunk. Nice. There's just so many. Nice, nice blue. I mean, it's a truck, not a big deal. I love it, the old Monties. Look at that bad boy. Saw the other one in the other video. Look at that bad boy. Tell it's original color. Oh my God. I like gas vessels. I know the Saudis love the big Impalas. Another Monty here. Nice. There's no T-top. Look at that cloth interior. Nice. I said a lot of them are. Look how big the trunk. Look how big the trunk is. Look at that. Look at that. This is why we served. You're damn right. Look at that bad boy. Nice one. No, it's going to be Monty Row here. It's an SS. It's a Monty. What is this thing? SS 454. Very nice. Oh, here comes the. Sorry, but I had to cover my mic. Music, hang on a second. Sorry about that, I covered my mic. I was playing some music, so I had to cover it. Very nice. What do you guys think, huh? Monte Carlo Road here, looks like. It's a great, you ever see one of these, man? Snatch it up. Like I said, you don't see too many around anymore. You don't. It's all trash and Enduros. You don't see these around much anymore. When I was younger, called Enduros, yeah. They'd race these because the radiator was was longer, so you could smash it. I think mine was my mom gave it me for $100. It was a 7. I drove it for many. The bumpers fell off. My dad welded back together. It's just I drove that sucker about 3-4 years. But that's why you don't. If you ever see one, buy one because you don't see because it was such a big.
Yeah. You see how big.
Yep, they would love them. So the Enduros back in the '80s, they smashed a lot of them because they're big. Yeah. And they could take a hit. Yeah, my goodness. Whew. Snip but do not scratch. Yes, very nice. There it is, another Corvette. Oh. That bad boy. Nice. Very nice. 351. It's one of those easy ones to get at. 289. Uh-oh. You're gonna do like a Stingray over here. What year is this?
79.
Yeah, I want to get an 81 the year I graduated. I want to get an 81. Not that they're fast, I just like them.
Right.
Yeah. I've always wanted to get one. I went and bought a PT Cruiser convertible with only 70,000 miles on it. I caught my fag car, but someday I'll have one. I want to get a T-top or convertible. Not that they're fast, I just like them.
I just want to own a
Yeah, these are great years. Now they make them look like Lamborghinis. If you look at them now, they look like Lamborghinis. Yeah. They do. The baby Lamborghinis. No, it's a nice car. What size engine you got in here?
3.8 stroke.
Keep hope alive, man. Way to go, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Look at that bad boy, old school. 4-door, my God, classic. But I wanted to buy one of these when I got rid of my other convertible. But they want a lot of money for these things. These are cool. I like them. They're little 2-seaters, convertible. Kind of El Camino. They're nice. They want a lot of money. When they came out, they wanted 40 grand for these things. They would have sold them like hotcakes for 30 grand. These were cool cars. I wanted to buy one, but they wanted way too much. But I think they're cool as hell. Little 2-seater convertible. Comes off. But anyways, guys, I loved it. I wanted one, but I wasn't going to pay 30 grand, 20 grand for it, so. Yep, the Chevy. Yep. So anyways, guys, see you next one.